Hey there, it's Bobby Legs and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches. And today we have an unboxing video. Now, this is coming from my friend James via Chris over at the Watch Lounge. And I believe James said that Chris is actually buying this watch from him. So this will be returned back to Chris after I'm done here. And yes, it is a Seiko, and it is a watch that I haven't had the pleasure to review on the channel. It is the one, the only Flightmaster. Oh yeah, check this baby out. I know that there's like 100 million videos on the Flightmaster, but I have yet to review it. I'm excited to check out this. Is it an icon? I don't know. That's a good question. But a great watch, as it is legendary in the Seiko lineup. Great chrono. Fairly inexpensive. Yeah, just a great watch. Thanks to Chris and James for letting me take a look at this one. I'm excited about it. Let me throw it on wrist, and we'll do I'll do a, here we go, a little wrist roll. We'll do a review. Seiko Flightmaster 2021. Does it still hold up? After being released for and being in circulation for a really long time. I think it does. I think it's got a purpose for sure. And it's just a fun, inexpensive chrono to have. So anyway, guys, I look forward to doing this review and sharing it with you guys. Look how thin that is. Nice little domed crystal there. I don't have all the details. I'm guessing it's mineral. But definitely fired up and excited about reviewing it. Anyway, guys, thanks for checking in. I'll see you soon in the next video.